Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am going to explain about first unique character in a string. So here, given a string S, return the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it does not exist, return -1. So here coming to example 1, what is the here they given input S equal to LeetCode. So here this L, how many times it repeated? 0 times it is repeated. So the output is 0. And coming to example 2, S equal to, they given in a string love LeetCode. So here L repeat 2 times. So here the output is 2. And here coming to example 3, S equal to A, B, B. So here the A is immediately repeated. So if this kind of inputs are raised, then we should return, means the output should be -1. So here constants are 1 less than or equal to S dot length less than or equal to 10 power 5. And here only lowercase English letters should be exist. So this is a question. So for this, how can I apply some logic? I will explain you clearly in this code. So here first I am mentioning for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than string S dot length I increment. In this loop, here in this loop, if S dot index of S dot character at I is equal to S dot last index of S dot character at I. In this if loop, I will mention return I and here return -1. So here coming to this code, here I am mentioning for loop int I equal to 0 to, it will iterate the complete input what is given by the user, and here I am just comparing the index of starting position with last position, so that we came to know if the starting element is repeated or not. If it is repeated, how many times it is repeated, so that it will show. So now I will run the code. Yeah, it is accepted. So here in this test case, if I mention L, then I will run it. Here it is showing C, the output is 3. So here this is the logic behind it. If you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section, and please do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.